After, I would say, 2-3 months, when you notice that your hair is actually growing length, it's not breaking anymore, it actually has a different texture, that's when people realize that it really worked, and that's why they come back to me. The reason why we use the flame instead of a scissor is because it's a lot more accurate than a scissor. When you come for a haircut and you want your split ends out and you still see them, it's just because you're cutting the ends, and split ends are all over the hair, not only on the ends. Everybody's going crazy about being organic. They don't want to do anything to their hair. This is when people come for this treatment. No chemical, it's just a candle. People think that it's dangerous. If they have any flammable products on their hair, it's gonna catch on fire, which is really not, as long as whoever is doing it is a trustable professional and been doing it for a while.